To create a custom recipe in this Trainerize app, you select on the yellow plus button as you normally would to log anything. Once you've done that, you select your meal option. And then from there, you want to select the recipes icon from the bottom of the page. So this is on the camera page. So you'll see my recipes at the bottom there. Click on that and it will say no recipes yet. And this is obviously because you haven't created any recipes. So what you want to do is click on the create recipes option. And then that's going to take you through to a page where you can add in your new recipe. So you can add a photo if you want to add a photo, name your recipe, and then add the individual ingredients. And then once you've added all your ingredients, make sure you choose how many serving sizes those ingredients are. So if it's just a smoothie for you to have every morning, then that's going to be just one serving size. But if you're making a big batch, then obviously, you want to put in the serving sizes that it actually is. Um, Same process for tracking food as it is for creating a recipe. So once you hit this add ingredients button, it will take you to the page where you would normally search for your food items and add them in as a usual tracking would go. And then from there, you just hit the save button and now you have your recipes saved. So next time you go into your recipes icon, instead of saying no recipes, it will have the recipe on this page here, and you can create as many custom recipes as you like.